Hi everybody, how are you today? I'm going to work with this 20-inch by 20-inch canvas, and I have my blow dryer out, so I want to make a large flower on it. I have grabbed a few colors here. I have a violet, I have a Deco Art metallic berry, I have a magenta, and I have a little bit of a medium yellow. And I've mixed these paints down so that they're thin. They're mixed, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and then I've put water in them until they're not leaving a trace on the top. So I'm going to start out with my darker color, and I think I'm going to go dark to light here. I'm going to go with my metallic berry. And then the magenta. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of the yellow. I don't think my yellow's thin enough. It's not running out of here nicely. So I'm just going to give it a little dab of water. Give it a little stir. That's better. And do that. Okay. I'm going to surround this with my thinned out white, and this is the same. I've got it thin to where it doesn't leave a trace when I'm stirring it. Move some things out of the way here so the blow dryer doesn't push them over. Okay, I'm going to torch the bubbles out of it right now. And then I'm going to push it out. Okay, I don't really like the way this is right here. Let's see here. I'm going to get a straw. See if I can move that around a little bit. Just something I don't quite like about it. I'm going to turn it around. Let's see. Let's see. Just do not like the side of it at all. Let's see, what can we do? Maybe. I can do this. I'm glad I mixed up a lot of white. Got a couple puppy dogs under my feet right now because we just had a little bit of a thunderstorm. And they think it's going to get them for some reason. They're very afraid of it. Okay, now. That's what I have left. And I'm going to put just a dot of this yellow in there. There we go. Okay. We'll give this another go. Better. Better. Get the centers formed much nicer here. Let's get some air bubbles out. Hope I didn't overwork it, but it's not very much purple over on this side here. I still have a lot of paint right there. What I might do is take a little bit of purple and work it along some of these edges. Just like that. Bring it out. Put my straw. I'm liking it now. Happy. Good, and I don't have too much paint on it. Give it a couple little touch and goes here to bring some of the lacing up. You have to be real careful when you're doing that because you do not want to melt or heat your paint up. See, in a spot that gets scraped a little. There we go, it's better. Alright guys. Thanks for sticking with me today. I know this one took a little longer than normal for a Dutch pour. I'll pick it up, see if I can show you some of the details here. Oop, one of my pins came out. There's the center. Really pretty wispy edges. There we go. Thanks for visiting with me tonight, guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That helps me out. Have a good night. Bye.